Introduction to free fitness tracking apps.
Starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming, but tracking your progress makes it easier. There are many free apps designed for beginners that help you set goals, log activities, and stay motivated. In this guide, we'll review some of the best free fitness tracking apps to support your path to better health, no matter your experience level.
MyFitnessPal, easy nutrition and exercise tracking.
MyFitnessPal is a popular app for beginners. It lets you track what you eat and log your exercise routines easily. With a large food database and simple interface, MyFitnessPal helps you understand your calorie intake, set goals, and monitor your progress over time. The app also integrates with many other fitness devices and apps for a more complete overview.
Google Fit, simple activity and step tracking.
Google Fit is an excellent, beginner-friendly app that tracks your steps, workouts, and heart activity. Its customizable goals and clean design make it easy to stay motivated. Google Fit works on both Android and iOS devices and syncs with other health apps and wearables, helping you view all your fitness data in one place.
Strava, great for walking, running, and cycling.
Strava is well known among runners and cyclists, but is also great for beginners. You can record walks, runs, or rides, join free challenges, and share your progress with a supportive community. The app uses GPS to map your routes and tracks key stats like distance and pace, helping you build healthy habits and stay engaged.
JEFIT, beginner-friendly strength training.
First of all, JEFIT is ideal if you're new to strength training. The free version gives you access to simple workout routines, exercise instructions, and follow structured plans designed for all fitness levels, making it easier to build a consistent resistance training habit.
Tips for choosing the right app.
When picking a fitness tracking app, consider your goals and preferred activities. Choose one with an interface you enjoy and features that fit your needs, such as nutrition tracking, step counting, or workout plans. All these free apps make it easy for beginners to set goals and see progress, fueling long-term motivation and healthier habits.